What's up, fellow drivers? This is your boy David Liggins with No Rep Limits. I'll be your instructor for today, and boy do I have a video for you. This is more of just an update on where I am with my business, the journey. If you looked at my last video or watched my last video, you know that I'm actually going through a particular course right now. But I'm also at the racetrack. As you can probably hear with all the noise in the background, guys, this is truly one of my passions. Being around cars is absolutely amazing. Actually, you know what? Let me show you. Check this out. Here we go. You can see it behind me. Here they come. Check that out. Anyways, it's freaking amazing, guys. So to start off, I'm in this course, which is a 12-week program, and pretty much we go from A to Z, from the beginning to the end. And the reason why I decided to take this course is I wanted to make sure, all the cars behind me, I wanted to make sure that I fill in the gaps of my knowledge and I set myself up for the best success possible. And that's one of the things. I realized that product research and sourcing were some of my shortcomings, and I feel like if I can get to that next level with those things, I can absolutely crush it. So where I am with the course, this is our first week, and we're actually going through 3 weeks of product research, and boy is it needed, okay? Product research is by far one of the most important things you have to get right in order to succeed in this business. And the next is sourcing. There's a saying that you make your money when you buy the product, not when you sell it. Because if you buy it wrong and you buy it for too much, guess what? You're not going to be able to make money no matter how you market this particular product. So that leads me into the first topic I wanted to talk about today, which is product research. Product research is extremely important, and you have to get it right, you know? There are going to be times when you get it wrong, but you want to minimize those times that you actually get product research wrong or haven't done it the best. So it's extremely tedious and it's very time consuming. And the problem that I have right now with product research is I don't have that full confidence right now in my ability to pick the right products 90% of the time. I'm not going to be perfect, but I want to be perfect most of the time, and I'm just not there yet. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to take this course, to learn from the best. So right now, it's been a challenge, guys. And hopefully you can still hear me over these cars that's passing by. But right now, it's absolutely been a challenge for me. You know, I haven't done product research in a few months. I feel rusty, I feel tired, I'm fatigued. I'm just exhausted looking at these products, going through these ideas, etc. And at times I feel like, man, you know, like it's tough to keep going. I get tired, I want to go to bed, or just tired of looking at the computer screen, want to relax. And so I wanted to let you guys know that this is, wow. We got a bee that landed on my phone. Give me 1 second here. So I'm just gonna let the bee do what it's doing. It's on my phone right now. But it's kind of crazy. You got a first glimpse of that. But guys, product research is difficult and it can be discouraging, okay? And that's why I'm making this video, decided to make this video, because as a seller that's been doing this for a year and a half and had some successes and also had some failures, it is still discouraging at times. And you have to figure out a way to kind of push through those moments. And that's one of the big reasons why having motivation and having your goals are very important. That brings me to my next topic, which is motivation. Why are you doing this? What is it that you're trying to achieve? What are your goals? Because you have to keep your eye on the prize in order for you to push through some of these difficult times. For me, it's time freedom. It's time freedom because I can go and be on the track and do this. Look at this. Oh, it's following me. You know, I'm at the track, I'm hanging out, meeting new people, watching these amazing cars roll by. This is exciting for me. This is my passion. And this is what I want to do as much as I can do it. And the only way I'm going to be able to achieve that is if I have the time freedom that I want. And also the financial freedom, because this business can give you that also. Just make sure you understand what your goals are, guys. Make sure you understand why you're doing this, because it's going to be difficult. For all the gurus and YouTube gurus, whatever, that say this is easy, get rich quick, you can find one product, kill it, make it a home run. Do believe that hype, guys, this takes work. It takes a significant amount of work. But once you get it right, it is so fruitful. And I've been on the other side where I've gotten it right. And it feels so good waking up to sales, getting 100 sales in a day, getting 150 sales in a day, breaking $3,000 in revenue a day. These are all amazing goals. And when you finally get them, you truly understand why you're doing this. It feels great. So I don't want to make this too long of a video, guys. I'll probably do some clips around here with some of the cars I'm pretty excited about. But I just want to let you know where I am with the process. I'm in product research phase. Got 2 more weeks of that. And also just wanted to kind of talk about a little bit about motivation, guys, because it has been discouraging for me over the last couple of days. I just feel overwhelmed. But if you keep your eyes on the prize, you understand your goals, you understand what you're working for, you're gonna make it through. All right, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you can hear me, else I'm gonna have to reshoot this video, but thanks for listening. We made it to the end of the session, guys. You see the checker flag out. I'm about to go to my session and be on the track right now, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.